now do it properly, because I'm ready now, boys. Boys, I'm... Oh, okay, so the boys... Okay, okay. Hugo, why are you holding your hands like that? Okay. Sienna, do you need a wee, Sienna? Sienna, do you need a wee? Okay. Okay, Sienna and Alfie first. Hugo? No, because then... Okay. Jump and Dumber first. Okay, first I want to introduce yourselves. Okay, Sienna and Alfie, you're first. What's your name and what's your dance show called? Alfie, don't drink too much juice. The A-team, okay. 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 Okay, Alfie, come on. We're ready. So you have to come in and say... You're doing really well, Alfie, come on.
We want to see them first, actually. Let's see them first. Alfie, you want to see them first? Okay, come on then. Right, you have to introduce yourself, boys. We are the Goonies gang. Show you some real gymnastics/football celebrations. Yeah.
Okay. Gymnastics/football celebrations. Okay, it was quite funny. I don't know how much actual gymnastics moves are in there. Okay, I won't film. No filming. Go on, Alf, there's a prize for the winning team, a big bar of chocolate. Okay, come on. Okay. Okay, they're ready. They're starting, guys. Watch Alf and Max move out of the way, bloody. Wow, really good. Oh, is this the crab? What one that? Whoa! Wow! Look at that! Oh, and a leg up! A leg up! Leg up! Can he do the leg? Oh! Straight leg, good. All right, when you're ready. Stand.
Oh, you joking. Yours 1.8.
You're joking, it can't be that high.
This 9.9. Funny, yeah. Yes, we got 9.9. Yeah, 9.9.
Okay, now dance moves. Who's got the best dance moves?
Yeah, we have to practice.
Okay, that practice.
Now we're doing
Single dance moves.